Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best remote job for Africans to make money online. And this one you work from home. So you will first of all come to your browser. When you open your browser, you type remote Africa. They discover the best remote jobs for Africans professionals. So if you want to post a job, you can click on this post a job, but we don't want to post a job, is a remote work we are looking for. So if there is a particular job you are looking for, maybe virtual assistant, project manager, digital marketer, affiliate marketer, or any other finance, this in copywriting, Amazon KDP, any other types of work, website developer, cloud engineer, front end developer, back end developer, software engineer, software developers, and a lot of more that you can do. Like if you come here, you see where they say if you are looking for engineering, come here. If you are looking for designs, you are looking for product marketing, DevOps engineer, or customer support, copywriting, business and finance, and any other remote job, you go straight to that place. If you don't want anyone that if you don't know any job that you're looking for, you come down. Like as you can see, it say 1,633 results. Like this job is posted on the 14th of July. That's yesterday. Fortune Writers. The company that post this video is called Fortune Writers, and it's 100% remote and is full time content writer. That's what they're looking for. Then software developer test, full time is also 100% remote. It's posted on the 12th. Then senior software engineer is also posted this month. There's a lot of July jobs that is being posted here, and they are all 100% remote. Customer service representative, customer implementation pilot, they are all Africa. Senior system analyst, freelance creative, intermediate software developer, remote administrative assistant, graphic designer, and senior back-end developer, senior open source developer, DevOps engineer. So after you've gone through all these jobs here and you find anyone that you like, you can then apply. As you can see, there is a lot of jobs here and they are all posted recently. See, this one here is 10th of July. So then you can also check another website, Remotive. Remotive. So this one here also is a find your dream remote job without hassle. So it depends on the what you want to look for. Like I said, they say they have more than 2,000 remote jobs. Is it data analytics, software development, customer service design, marketing, sales products, project manager, data analyst, and a lot more, writing and others. So I want to work remotely from. See the jobs they have: site reliability engineer, and they even put how much they are going to pay. Like software development is 40,000 to $75. A lot more. Content writers, investment consultant, senior full stack developer, front end developer, senior mobile cross, and a lot of them are office assistant, collection technology. 4 days ago, 1 week ago, a week ago, 3 days ago. So even when they posted these jobs, like this one, they say this one is new. So you can also apply on this job. The next one is remote for Africa. See it here. And technical and a lot more virtual assistant. So you come down, they say the latest one that is posted on 15. This one is even being posted today. IT service delivery analyst. Then manager, policy and advocacy, financial manager. US based startup. They're just starting HR. They say IT and telecommunication service company. HR, control engineer, senior talent manager, specialist, senior iOS developer, front end stroke and go front end developer, and there's a lot more. Senior Azure cloud operation, senior data performance engineer, senior everything, senior here, senior this, senior social sourcing specialist. This one is a contract job, say a year contract. Chat room expert. Then you have to have experience in Zoho and MS Dynamics. So even this one, Zoho expert, that's what they need. That's why they still bring it up here. And a lot more to see. Let me click here. And a lot more to see. You can apply for this job and make money online. Thank you for staying to the end of this video, and do well to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumb up and see you in my next video. Bye.